Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we break down the syllabus for the HP Implementing Aruba Campus Switching Solutions exam so you know exactly what to study and why each area matters. This exam covers 8 domains with clear weightings: IP routing 20%, spanning tree protocol 15%, Aruba technologies 15%, security 15%, VLANs and link aggregation 14%, switching fundamentals 11%, and management and monitoring 10%. I will summarize each domain, its focus, difficulty, and the key skills you must master for scenario and hands-on assessments. IP routing is 20% of the exam and rated hard, with about 24 hours of recommended study and scenario-based assessments. You will learn to configure multi-area OSPF, manage different OSPF area types, and troubleshoot LSAs and adjacency states. The domain also covers advanced Layer 3 services like static and default routes, route redistribution, administrative distance tuning, DHCP relay, policy-based routing, and optimizing routes with prefix lists and route maps. Spanning tree protocol is 15% and also hard, with around 18 hours of study and scenario-based testing focused on loop prevention and optimization. You will configure multiple spanning tree protocol regions, map VLANs to instances, and select SIST and regional routes while verifying port roles and convergence. The syllabus also requires STP hardening such as BPDU protection, route guard, loop guard, edge port features, and analyzing topology changes to maintain high availability. Aruba Technologies is 15%, medium difficulty, and assessed with hands-on and conceptual tasks over about 14 hours. This domain covers Aruba's virtual switching framework so you can configure VSF links, assign member priorities, manage commander and standby roles, and troubleshoot split stack scenarios. You will also learn stacking and backplane technologies, including configuration, upgrades, cabling needs, and monitoring stack health and failover behavior. Security is 15%, medium difficulty, and scenario-based with about 16 hours of study time recommended. You will implement port access control, configure 802.1x and MAC-based authentication, and integrate Radius and TACX plus dynamic VLAN assignment and per-user roles. Infrastructure hardening topics include securing management access with SSH and HTTPS, DHCP snooping, dynamic ARP protection, IP source guard, and port security with limits and violation actions. VLANs and link aggregation make up 14% and are medium difficulty with hands-on and conceptual assessments in about 12 hours. You will configure 802.1q tagging, implement GVRP and private VLANs, and manage voice VLANs with LPMP while verifying VLAN propagation and connectivity. Link aggregation training covers static and LACP trunks, grouping and load balancing algorithms, verifying LACP states, and troubleshooting member failures for high bandwidth trunking. Switching fundamentals is 11% and considered easy, with roughly 8 hours of study focused on foundational Layer 2 concepts and initial switch setup. You will identify Aruba switch product families, perform console and IP setup, manage software images and boot profiles, and configure basic interfaces and descriptions. The domain also covers interpreting front panel LEDs and basic operational checks to ensure correct initial deployment. Management and monitoring is 10% and rated easy, with about 8 hours of study for conceptual and scenario-based tasks. You will configure syslog for centralized logging, implement SNMP for NMS integration, and use RMON and port mirroring for traffic analysis and statistics collection. The syllabus also includes LLDP for neighbor discovery, monitoring CPU and memory utilization, and analyzing interface error counters for proactive troubleshooting. That wraps up the syllabus breakdown for the HP Implementing Aruba Campus Switching Solutions exam. Use the domain weights and study times to prioritize hands-on practice in routing, spanning tree, Aruba features, and security. Good luck with your preparation and be sure to practice real configurations and scenario troubleshooting to pass the exam.